How to change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. So if you want to change your WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone to affect all other chats, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone, the first one to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Click on the settings icon at the bottom right. Now, once you've selected the settings icon, you'll be taken to your profile page. On the profile page, scroll down and click on Chats. Now, once you selected Chat, locate Chat Wallpaper and then click on it. Once you selected Chat Wallpaper, you see a sample of the wallpaper you can set on your WhatsApp. Then here, go ahead and click on Choose a new wallpaper. Then here you have light, dark, and solid color. Now, to choose wallpaper from your phone, select My Photos. Then select where the photo is located. You can click on All Photos to have access to all your photos on your iPhone from the WhatsApp. Then select the photo you want to set as your wallpaper on your iPhone, like this. Then this is what you're going to see. Then you can click on this to set it. Then click on this icon to turn off wallpaper motion. So if you want to enable wallpaper motion, just make sure you see wallpaper motion on. To turn it off, disable this. Then cancel it or search through for another wallpaper you want to set as your WhatsApp wallpaper on your iPhone. So you can just search through, use any wallpaper of your choice like this. Then you should see the preview. Then turn on or turn off wallpaper motion on your WhatsApp. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on Set. Then you should see the wallpaper set just like this. Then you're good to go. You can now hit the back button and go back to your WhatsApp chat page. On the WhatsApp chat page, you see your wallpaper changed. So if you go to any other chat, then you see the wallpaper change just like that. Is that? So that is basically how to change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.